video, I'm going to show you how to jump start your Mercedes-Benz CLA250. Here is the jump point. This red plastic thing here just has the positive on top there. Just pinch that and push it up, and that's your positive connection, and then your negative is this brass nut right here on the fender. And take your jump box, make sure it's off, and connect your ground and your positive. This one's got 6 volts and needs 12 to start. Okay, go ahead and try that. Alright, there we go. And then this box will also read our alternator output, so we can tell if it's a charging system problem or just a battery issue. Charging system's doing good. It should be 13.5 to 14 volts, which it is. So that tells us our alternator is charging properly. We just probably need a new battery. So we'll turn this off, disconnect it. You can jump start this from another vehicle using jumper cables. Just make sure the other vehicle is off when you're hooking up the cables. That's it, and then just move these little connections back down and close your hood and you're all done. There you go, that's how to jump start your Mercedes. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, drop me a comment, and let me know if it helps you out. See you on the next one.